I have got my son in the background and he's talking to me and I'm telling him to be super quiet. Welcome to Wellness Wednesday, and I haven't been here for a few Wednesdays for my wellness because I've just had things on. However, today I thought I would take you on a journey of preparing my dinner. We are having pork loin with roasted pear and fennel veggies, and I have got to say I don't even know if I have cooked a pork loin roasted dish before, so this is something new for me, but absolutely so excited because it looks delicious. Now, for those of you who don't know me, my name is Nixon from Wicked Wellbeing, and I'm all about empowering healthy living. I have got the recipe. I don't know about you, but when I go to New World, I love looking through their recipes and just grab range pork loins. Now, the recipe says 2 kgs. I've got 2. These are about 1.5, 1.6 kgs. And they're already scored for me and tied. Now, if anybody would like to know where I get my free-range chicken delivered straight to my door, you can also comment below. It's a guy called Tucker who I find really amazing, interesting, because he's got a meat company, and he works for Neat Meat, and I'm sure he won't mind me sharing it with you. I get it delivered. I probably get a big order about once a month, and it gets delivered to my door. The meat is incredible. So if you would like that information, he doesn't have a website, so you just have to get onto his email list. So if you want to know that information, comment below and I will share his email with you, and then just say that you've come through Wicked Wellbeing, and I will be able to, you can get, on that list. So what I've got here is a mixture of lemon rind, garlic, sage, but I use thyme instead because I don't have sage, and a little bit of oil and salt and pepper. So what it says is to, smother it on the bottom of not on the top. Okay, so I'm just going to put that on there. Please tell me if you're watching, do you, is this something that you regularly make, a roasted pork loin? So all I'm going to do is, and what's your favourite recipe? Spreading that over the bottom, and then I'm going to turn that over, and that's just on the sides. You don't get that on the top, on the actual pork rind, because it can stop it from crackling. So then I've got my little thing here. I have reserved some for the veggies. Then in my little container dish here, I have just got salt and oil, and this is for the crackling. Now, obviously, I'm just doing the prep work, and I will obviously cook it later on, but this is great because I've got a busy afternoon. So I'm spreading that over. So then I cook the pork and then crackle it at the end. I'm pretty sure that's what the recipe says, or it might be the other way around. Okay, so that is my pork ready. Now, in my bowl here, in this glass dish, is my pears. I've just quartered them. Some fennel. Just about centimetre thick, and some red onion. Okay, now it says also, so I love the sweetness of fennel and pear together. Beautiful, especially with that red onion. I'm really excited about this. I've got some of that mix left over. So that was from what we put on the bottom of the pork. So you just marinate that through. Yum, looks incredible. Then what I'm going to do is add some chicken stock. So I have got some chicken stock here. This is homemade chicken stock paste made in my Thermomix, and it is incredible. I love that I can make vegetable stock and chicken stock a paste, because then I just add that to water, and it's just using vegetables and a free-range chicken, and it's just, I know that is just full of all goodness, and I've used up vegetables that I might, stalks and stuff that I might normally throw away. So I mix that with some lemon juice and a little bit of oil, then I roast those, And then I finish this off and serve the pork on top of this amazing flavorful dish. So I'm really, really excited. So just a reminder, if you want this recipe, it's not mine, it's from New World. It's called pork loin with roasted pears. I'm going to serve it with roasted potatoes, and just going to follow the recipe. So if you want that recipe, comment below and I will link you to the URL. And also, if you want to know where I get my meat from, my free range, I get mince, pork mince, steak, lamb, chicken thighs, amazing, really reasonable compared to the quality of it, then just comment below and I will share my contact Tucker with you, and you can just email him. Thanks so much for joining me. Let me know what is your favourite pork loin recipe, and I will look forward to seeing you tomorrow for Thermomix Thursday. I'm making something out of the magazine, our new magazine. Okay, see you later.